Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another wig review for you guys, and it is again the Rule Breaker wig but in Burgundy. So I'm gonna be pretty much finessing this wig and just making it look not as wiggy. I just feel like I need to brush it out and finesse it a little bit and just make it look more presentable for the outside. So this is in a color 99J, so it's a really pretty like deep burgundy color. So I'm gonna put it on and then we're gonna assess exactly what we need to do. Okay. All right, so it's definitely a lot of wig. So it's gonna need a lot of trimming. So I'm gonna grab this. Okay. We're just gonna start hacking at this because it looks very, very wiggy right now.